we're going to be doing a quick yoga, just sitting down in our bolsters, just to energize our body. We're going to start by bringing our hands together, setting our intentions for today. And we're going to start to connect with the breath here. Taking a big, deep inhale. And exhale. Inhale, bring the hands up to the sky. Hands to heart. Inhale, we're going to open the heart, coming into cactus. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, cactus. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, hands go up to the sky. And on your exhale, we're going to bring the left hand and root it right next to us. Reach for the sky with the right hand. Feel like you're shooting energy out. And on your exhale, we're just going to move to the side. Stay with your breath. Big deep inhale. And exhale. One more breath. Coming up. And exhale. Inhale, left hand goes up to the sky. Right hand stays rooted. We're going to stretch it all the way to the side. Take a big, deep breath. Allowing each breath to take you a little bit deeper. Keeping the hips grounded to the mat. Big, deep inhale, come up. And exhale, hands comes down. Inhale, both hands come up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, cactus. Exhale, come back down. Rounding the right hand back. And then the left hand. Just allowing to fully open our chest, open our heart. Rounding our shoulders back. And just allow yourself to shoot energy from your heart. Big deep breath. And exhale. Staying with the breath. On your next inhale, hands come up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Bringing the hands to your head, to your knees. And we're going to go ahead, come into cow, opening the heart area. And on your exhale, we're just going to round the back, bringing the heart and navel in. And back out. Take it all in. In, bringing the navel in, staying with your breath, and back out. One more breath here, and exhale, back in, meeting me back to center. For your next inhale, we're going to bring the hands to the shoulders, and we're just going to swing side to side, keeping the hips grounded. Creating a couple of just movements, just weighting the body up. Then on your next breath, meet me back to center. We're going to go ahead and place our palms into our knees. We're going to go ahead and just round our shoulders back. Connecting with the body, allowing each breath to let go, allowing yourself to feel soft and awaken. And then opposite side. back to center. Big deep inhale, hands go up to the sky. We're gonna go ahead and bring the left hand over the right, coming into pigeon. Bring the shoulders down. Big deep breath. And exhale. Slowly release the hands, opening up. And then on your exhale, we're going to bring it all the way, but opposite hand, right over left. Palms are together, shoulders are relaxed. And stay with your breath. Slowly release, opening the hands, bringing that energy upwards, and exhale, ground yourself. Inhale, open the heart, and exhale, bringing that energy in.